How to log in Netflix on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can log into Netflix on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to log into Netflix app on mobile, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Netflix application here, and you will see this type of interface. Now if you have not yet created an account, you can create a Netflix account by tapping on this link and opening them in your browser, or if you already have an account, tap on sign in. Just make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Netflix account over here. Once you've done that, you can also just tap on the password option to enter your password. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can just tap on the show option over here, or you can just tap on the sign in button from here directly to sign into your Netflix account. This way you'll be able to sign in or log in Netflix on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.